How to deny Facebook access to photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of your Facebook having full access to your photos? Then I'll show you how to deny it in few simple steps. Let's dive right in. For this, you'll have to change your settings. So, open up your settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on apps. Now, on the search bar, you'll have to search for Facebook and tap on it. Now, go to Photos. You can see that it is set to full access. Now, you have to change it to none. However, if you want to give limited access, then tap on limited access and choose the photos that you want to give access to. However, if you want to completely deny the access, then just set it to none and now your Facebook will have no access to your photos. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.